to my YouTube channel English Tutorial. Firstly, I would like to beg apology from all of you, my beloved students, the person interested in grammar. Especially, I have a cold. I have got cold, so the voice is not clear. So I would like to say something rather not in a high speech. Okay. So now most of the students, as you know well, that they are not confident about the identifying of what is complex sentence, what is simple sentence, and what is complex sentence. There are many confusions, but I want to clear up the basics by which you can identify which is complex, which is compound, and which is simple sentences. Though you must remember that there you can divide the sentences in different angles in the sense of meaning. Now this division is structurally division. So it is the main factor of a sentence. Uh, Please listen to me, and hence it is the matter of grammar. So it is the matter of great importance. It is the matter of hence the grammar. So it is the matter of mark very, very carefully. Okay, but not boringly, rather joyfully or interestingly. Okay, want to try to make out, and I would do my level best to make you make out about the basics of the simple, complex, and compound sentences. Now, go to the examples. Number one, if I give an example like he goes to school. Now, here you firstly know, as I had already discussed about the finite and non-finite verbs, especially simple sentence. In the case of simple sentence, there you may judge in different angles. By I would like to give you the actual clue by which you can identify. Only you must remember that a simple sentence contains one finite verb, not more than that. What is finite verb? You know which verb cannot be controlled, cannot be limited by number, moods, voice, and tenses. Here it is finite verb, as it abides by the rule of simple present tense. Okay. Now it is the one finite verb. Okay. It is the one finite verb. So you must say that it is the example of simple sentence. একটা finite verb থাকবে, maybe another finite verb. Go to the another examples to clarify broadly and elaborately what would be the things. Okay. Now example 2. It is simple sentence. If I write, he goes to school, he goes to school to read. Now notice, the questions may arise among the students that, sir, here are the two verbs. Read also verb, goes also verb. Now the important question is that what type of verbs you have to judge here. Here you notice that the verb read has not been limited by tenses. To read, you must have placed the base form of read, not reading, not uh, other than any form, read, past or past participle form. But here go, you cannot change this because here as it is in simple, indefinite, simple indefinite tense. So it abides by the rule. It abides by the rule of present indefinite tenses. So it is finite verb. Okay, and it is non-finite verb. Okay, now you understand that what is finite verb and what is non-finite verb. And simple sentence must contains only one finite verb, not more than that, as you uh, see on the blackboard. Okay, now the most interesting, today's I am going to discuss about only simple sentence as the video will be lengthy. In that case, you may lose your patience. Okay, please, simple sentence, it sounds simple, but it is most important. Okay, complex sentence, that is not most tricky or difficult, but simple sentence sounds simple, but actually difficult to understand to the most of the students. Okay, now maybe the cases you confuse with the compound sentence, just like take an examples, and you will enjoy. I hope you are not losing your patience. Okay, please. Now I am going to the interesting examples. Ram and Sam play football. Now say, what types of the sentence? Maybe is it the examples of simple sentence or a compound sentence? As you say, the there and here, the conjunctions. So it is not the example of simple sentence. I would like to recall you as that here and though has been used, but basically and structurally, the play football, play verb, these verbs is one finite verb. Okay, one finite verb, and Sam, the subject, Sam and Ram, the two words, two names had maintained the rule of present indefinite tense, as the verb play has been limited by the tenses. So it is finite verb. So it appearance seem to you that it is the example of compound sentence. No, it is simple sentence. As there is no separate principle or independent clause here. Here only the verb, finite verb, one. Maybe another verb that is non-finite, but finite verb must be one in case of simple sentence. So it is very interesting. Now go to the next examples. the team won the game and the tournament. Now, here the question is the same. Here and the conjunctions. Mostly it is used in compound sentence, but here has been used. But the sentence still the examples of simple sentence. Many students get confused with compound or simple just when they see that there is and in a sentence. It is not only the benchmark to judge a sentence that where and has been added or placed or not, but you have to remember and recall the only clue, that is the simple sentence has only one finite verb. Here you notice that own, the verb, main verb, it is finite verb, as it is written in a simple past tense, and the past form of win has been placed. So it is not non-finite verb, and it abides by the rule as per simple past tense. So the team won the game. It is the won the game predicate, and the tournament it called enlargement of predicate. Here there is no separate subject. Subject only one, the team. Okay, so the verb has been placed as per rule, simple past tense. Okay, so today I would like to stop here, as my voice is not clear and may disturbing to you, that not as it is not clear, as I have quote. So, but many of the students has requested me many a times that please clear the confusions. Though there is and, yet you say at the time of teaching that it is not a compound sentence but a simple sentence. So I would like to aware you that you have to know the basic of the simple sentence by which you can identify the what type of sentence, not only the particular conjunctions, and it cannot be a benchmark to judge a sentence. Here, as contradictory examples, as I am now displaying to you on the board, hope about the simple sentence you have been able to understand. Okay, please, as usually, I say and appeal all of you, my beloved students and respected guardians who view my videos, and if you consider there is any importance to clear up and confusions about the simple sentences, so please subscribe my channels. Thanks. Best of luck.